Everybody gives the BBC credit for this workshop technique, but if you ask the BBC design team, they have no idea where it came from. The T-bar adds a ton of information to any given ideation session, so that instead of just having a sketch or a title or a little post-it note, suddenly you have a couple of different data points to turn your session into something that you can actually use. All you need to do is create a simple T on whatever format you're working on. It could be a page, it could be a post-it note, doesn't really matter. At the very top of that, put your title. Your title is the name of the idea. To the left, you want to put an image, and that image is a very quick sketch or a diagram or whatever it needs to be in order to communicate the core of that idea. And then to the right, include a little description of what that idea is. This gives you a couple of things that you can actually riff against. You can play with the title, you can describe the image and sort of extend that beyond what you might otherwise be able to provide in a simple description. And in the description, if people don't understand what's going on in the image, they have something to lock onto. When everybody is organizing the ideas at the end of the day, they then have a couple of data points for each idea to reference back to and make sense of that when those ideas actually need to become a reality or filtered into different project plans. So give the T-bar a try, and if you figure out who actually came up with this simple idea, let the BBC design team know.